In this video, I'll continue the topic of that prepping in the Indian context. So yesterday I introduced that concept from what I could understand, that prepping. So now prepping can be it's dependent on where you're located first and foremost. So if you are in a city, you do one type of prepping. If you are in the countryside, or if you are in the border between cities and countryside, and at the farm level, so like that, it depends. It's dependent on the location. Now within the city, I'll do later, not now. But in the countryside where there is agriculture going on and the small towns and all, as part of a well-prepped person, we should reconnect to some rural places. In case if they have no connections, they'll have to build up some connections so that they know people in rural areas surrounding countryside. And in case they have some ancestral village or some relatives or something, some temple, something is there, start visiting there, reconnect. And if a person is well off, they can buy some land in the countryside, so that if the city gets unbearable or for some reason it is not functioning efficiently, you have a place to get away from the city. So ideally, if you are a city person, then work in the direction of getting yourself a getaway home out in the countryside. And that is a topic by itself, selecting the right place. But anyway, having access to some place, suppose your city is got stuck by some pandemic and all kind of things happen off, then at least you can get away from that sickening place to a place where there is less population density, and the air is cleaner, water is cleaner. You are not living in the middle of some thousands of people per square kilometer, some densely populated areas where people are always coughing on your face. There is no greenery. That's where you catch infection, no? You have seen those poultry farms? 10,000 hens and all of them. These cities are like poultry farms for humans. Everywhere human. And any one of them gets some big disease, it spreads easily from one to the other. In a place like this now, how many people did we cross, man, now?
Less than.
Hardly anybody. Nobody came near us. So, chances of catching infections and all are less. And you see the greenery available here, the fresh air. So, having one alternative place to escape is very important if you want to be a well-prepared person. So, with that, I'll close this video number 2 on that topic.